Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So we have another TV mount for a smaller TV. This is actually up to 33 pounds this mount will hold, and it's actually 17 inch to 39 inches, so it's still a pretty decent size. But the problem was I had just a flat mount on the screen, and it's only a 22-inch screen, so it's not big at all. But the problem was it was a flat mount, but the walls I was working with are kind of angled and didn't work where the bed was situated. So of course I needed one of those articulating ones, and also that pulls out from the wall. So since we like the Mounting Dream mount that we used on the bigger TV, I figured why not find something that's going to work for them. So this is the MD2462 Mounting Dream. It uses up to 200 by 200 millimeter the mounting holes on the back of the TV, as well as a bunch of different patterns. It says there's a bunch of patterns that it shows right there that you can actually use with it. Max weight is 33 pounds, and then the distance from the wall, it says it actually extends out a total of 355 millimeters. I'm not totally sure what that converts to in inches, but it looks to be a pretty good, and I'll show you what it actually looks like. And the review and setup, I'm going to show you actually us installing it, or myself installing it, and then what it looks like with the TV. It also comes with a 10-year warranty from Mounting Dream. So this is how it comes. Again, like the other one that we use, has some good weight to it. And we'll go ahead and actually let's take a look and see what comes in the box. So getting started here, we have our instruction guide. Looks pretty straightforward, easy to use. Talks about the max weight on it. Another thank you card for buying, as well as video guides on the official channel, scan code for Mounting Dream Messenger, get prompt service. So that's kind of cool. And then we have, again, most of the stuff, I'm guessing most of the stuff that you're going to need. So you got your little wrench there, all the different mounting size hardware, as well as our spacers and all that fun stuff depending on what type of TV you're mounting. Again, it's only up to 39 inches. And then we have some more mounting hardware. So if we're going right into the stud, which is highly recommended, don't put it into the drywall. Some of these will actually work with concrete too if you have the right type of mounts for it. And then we have a couple of these here, which is just, if I can open this up, this is actually for tying up the cables and stuff. So it says Mounting Dream, Mounting Dream on it, and just like a cable Velcro tie. Comes with a little bubble level that makes it really great when you're actually installing this stuff. So you got that there, perfect. And then we have the actual mount itself. So the mount itself, again, really good weight, a lot like the other ones, nice black finish to it. So this one, because it is smaller and how the wall is situated, I figured, hey, why not just use the mount that's just like this? We have a totally vertical mount that's going to work. Find the studs. We got 3 of those lag bolts that go in. I mean, that's going to be plenty that we need to use. And then you'll see we have the mounting bracket here, but then once it's on the wall, how far it actually will come out. It's a really decent amount, and then you can always fold it back, and then it will fold flat or relatively flat against the wall. And finally, one of the other things we have here looks like just some of these extra, I'm not 100% sure. This is probably, if I had to guess, probably for just extending that mount area. Maybe see if that will go on there. Probably if you, yeah, so what this is going, if you get that. So what that's going to do, depending on how you need to mount the TV and how big the brackets are, you have this option here. So for the smaller TVs, just doing it like this, it may work with the screws, but you may need to extend it out depending on what the requirement is for the TV or monitor that you're mounting. So that right there, that's the MD2462 by Mounting Dream. Make sure to check back and look for that video of me installing it, as well as a review and hooking up the TV. So there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything that we do, and we'll see you soon.